and they were able to establish a system with her team. So, kami dalawa kasi whatever the coaches need from us, whether siya yung nasa loob or ako yung nasa loob, pareho kami ready to support each other and to just bring our best for the team. Kasi yun naman talaga yung trabaho namin.
Gia, just ikaw naman, alam naman yan natin yung nangyari sa Premier last year. I guess, how are you just embracing that pressure of helping the team kumbaga get back on top?
Well, there's really no pressure. The team is not making me feel any form of pressure at all. Kasi they also know na ako, pabalik lang din ako. Although yes, may international experience, it's another thing to try to bring it into the Philippine system and mag-translate into the local tournament. We'll see. Pero ngayon kasi, we're really taking it a day at a time, the whole team. Lalo na yung mga pabalik lang din from injury, yung mga sila Pons din and our new additions sa team. Everyone's just trying to find their way, find their groove to play together. Kung sino man ang makasama namin sa loob.
Gia, with you returning, paano na yung magiging rotation ninyo? Napag-usapan na ba ninyo?
Yeah. He asked the same question. Yung it's okay. Kasi now na maraming bumalik sa team and we're just trying to get used to play with whoever yung makasama namin sa loob ng court. So whatever the coaches ask from us, whether it's me inside or Kyle inside, we're just really ready to support each other. Same way na we have a lot of liberos, but whoever is inside is always supported by those on the outside.
Kaya mga ilang percent na yung na yung chemistry na kasi alam naman natin, di ba, kung dumating ka, may mga bago, yung iba galing injury, mga malapit na yung competition
Yun nga the coaches have a better data about that kasi kami, we're really getting used to play with each other. It's a long tournament. The tournament format is quite hectic also. So we have to learn how to play with each other. That it's the same thing as yung sa national team. We have a creamline pool also that we have to be ready to play with at any given time of the tournament.
Ano naman masasabi mo sa pagbabalik mo, parang ibang-ibang PVL field na yung makikita?
Yeah, actually, magti 3 years na akong wala sa PVL. So, but it doesn't mean I wasn't watching when the other teams were evolving also. So, very excited talaga ako to see how much PVL has changed. And, I would really love to embrace the challenge. So, excited kami lahat.
Sa iyo, Gia, siguro anong Gia yung makikita na babalik sa PBL after Alas and yung Japan din?
That's a question na I'm asking myself also kasi with all of the teams stepping up, with a new streamline team coming together, parang I'm also trying to find my way with the team. Parang hopefully yung mga natutunan din namin sa international, madala ko rin sa PBL and sa Pinoy, but at the same time, whatever the team needs from me, I will be ready to support and do my best to deliver. Thank you!